Sometimes the best math tool is different colored pens. Let's use them to find equivalent fractions on a number line. This number line goes from 0 to 1 and it has been broken into 4 pieces, so we know that each tick mark represents 1/4. We label each of those, and now let's find some equivalent fractions. If we break each of those line segments in half, we've now taken our whole and split it into 8 pieces. So each tick mark now represents 1/8. And again, we label those tick marks. Now, every time that our tick marks fall on the same spot, we have equivalent fractions. And notice here, we've counted up 8 out of the 8 pieces, so these fractions are also equivalent to 1. Let's stop and think about what this means. Here we have 1 part out of the 4 whole pieces, but then we took each of those jumps and broke it in half. So what used to be 1 part becomes 2 parts, and what was 4 whole pieces becomes 8 whole pieces. Let's do another one, but this time our fractions go larger than 1. Our whole was broken into 6 pieces, so each tick mark represents 1/6. Let's draw in the jumps to help to visualize each fraction. To find an equivalent fraction, we need to get to 4/6 by doing a different size of jump. We can break our number line up more and take smaller jumps to get there, or we could take larger jumps as long as it lands at 1. Let's try doubling the size of our jump. If we do that, will we land at 4/6? Yes. Will we land at 1? Yes, so things are looking good. Let's focus from 0 to 1. How many pieces do we break our number line into? 3. So each of those jumps represents 1/3. We're at 1/3, 2/3, and 3/3. And then we can keep counting. Now let's cut each of those segments in half and take smaller jumps. Again, if we count from 0 to 1, we can see that that's 12 jumps. So each tick mark represents 1/12 of the whole. It took 8 jumps to get to 4/6 and 16 jumps to get to 8/6. And so we were able to use all these different jumps to find 2 different sets of equivalent fractions. If you think using different colors in math class would have been useful for you, like this video and try it with your kids.